Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Shem Ogweno. Today, I'm starting a new series on web development for absolute beginner. What you're watching is the first video on HTML series. So whether you're interested in starting a career in web development, build your own website, or just curious how the internet works, this series is perfect for you. Since you're a beginner, I'm not expecting you to know HTML. Just have access to a computer and a willingness to learn something new. So let's start with the meaning. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It's a language for telling your browser how to display your document. HTML uses markup tags to describe your web pages. So let's have a closer look at these tags. They normally come in pairs, starting and ending tags. Your first tag is the opening tag. Your second tag is the closing tag. And then your content will go in the middle. You will see this pattern of opening and closing tags, but we have a few that don't follow it, and they're called void element or empty element. Example is img. So your final document will contain HTML tags and plain text. Then you'll use your web browser to read your web pages and not to display the tags, but to use those tags to interpret the content of your page. At the end of HTML series, you'll have a website, and I'll show you how to host it for free so you can share with friends. So knowing this about HTML, in the next video, you'll build your first web page. See you then.